This video will help you solve problems involving operations with fractions. Remember, to add or subtract fractions, you have to have a common denominator first. To multiply fractions, you can cross-simplify or cross-cancel first and then multiply straight across. To divide fractions, keep the first fraction the same, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Then you go back to the rules for multiplying. So looking at our first example, find the value of each expression. 3/4 plus 5/6. I have to first rewrite it with a common denominator for 4 and 6, which would be 12. So the fraction 3/4, I have to multiply top and bottom by 3. And the fraction 5/6, I have to multiply top and bottom by 2. That would give me the common denominator 12. So now when I multiply, I get 9/12 plus 10/12. And now when you add, you keep the denominator the same, and I add the numerators. 9 plus 10 becomes 19. Then I change it into a mixed fraction, which would be 1 and 7/12. For subtraction, it's a similar idea. We have to start by getting a common denominator. So 3/5 minus 1/4. Common denominator for 5 and 4 would be 20. So the first fraction, I'm going to multiply by 4s. And the second fraction, I'm going to multiply by 5s. So it becomes 12/20 minus 5/20. Then when I subtract, again, I keep the denominator 20. The denominator stays the same. And then the numerator, 12 minus 5, becomes 7. For multiplying, 4/7 times 3/8. Before I can multiply, I can cross-cancel to make it easier, getting rid of common factors. So the 4 and the 8 can each be divided by 4. So when I divide the 4 out, the 4 becomes a 1, the 8 becomes a 2. Nothing else cross-cancels, so now I multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3, 7 times 2 is 14. And then our next example for dividing, 5/8 divided by 2/3. Keep, change, flip. So I rewrite it as 5/8 times 3/2. Now I try and see if anything cross-cancels. Nothing cross-cancels here, so now I multiply straight across. 5 times 3 becomes 15. 8 times 2 becomes 16. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.